Hey guys, Dustin with Custom Offsets here. As you know, it's summertime. We're in Wisconsin. It's about 90 degrees today. I think it's 100% humidity. I'm sweating my nuts off. So what's the best way to scratch that summer itch while you're still at work? Truck bed pool party. Yeah! You know, people think it's pretty simple, but it's actually a rather in-depth process to get the perfect truck bed pool. Step one, gotta get a tarp. Gross. All right, let's go. If I have to ask for help at Fleet Farm and the whole internet has to see it immortalized forever, I'm gonna be pissed. Up. Chains, rope, chain, tarps. 8 by 10, found it. 24 by 24 silo tarp.
So you're gonna just carry it around like you own a pool?
Yeah, except on wheels.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a great time.
Awesome. You gotta take a picture
I will.
and bring it in for me.
I will do that for you.
That's one of the best ideas I've heard in I don't know how.
Up. Next up, the essentials. Oh, they got pool noodles! We could get him the one with the snorkel on it. All right, hold on. I don't know if they're not gonna fit his face though. Look at how small those are. I don't see no rubber ducks. We got the tarp, we got the pool essentials, but step number 3, the final step, that's the most important. That's the beer. Cold beer, enter here. Whew. Come on. I really don't see it. Wait, extra or light? We got the Rona. All right, we got the plastic in the bed of the truck. Let's fill it up.
Five minutes later.
Well, there you have it, guys. There's our take on the truck bed pool. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. And if you want to get your truck looking hot for summer, head on over to customoffsets.com. Peace. Yeah.